Larte's BMW 7 Series is ideal for the joker who worries about resale value. BMW's flagship sedan gets a visual rethink as Larte Design introduces a new violet carbon fiber treatment with fully reversible body upgrades. Larte adds a deep violet look to the current 7 Series luxury sedan. The color is embedded into pre-preg carbon, not applied as paint. All visual upgrades can be removed using factory mounting points. The BMW 7 Series might be edging toward its midlife refresh, but tuners have other ideas for the current version of the luxury sedan. Larte Design has stepped in with its own take, reshaping the big four-door into something that wouldn't look out of place, lurking in the background of Suicide Squad, waiting for the Joker to climb in. Larte first revealed its kit for the G70 Generation 7 Series in early 2025, and it has now returned with a new finish that changes the tone entirely. The aero add-ons and wheel covers now wear a deep violet shade that stands out sharply against the white body. There's a lot more to the 2027 BMW 7 Series facelift than a new face. This isn't just a simple paint job. The color is embedded directly into the pre-preg carbon structure, rather than laid on top as a coating. Larte says this approach delivers better consistency and depth, and should hold up over time. In its view, the look will read as deliberate and composed 5 years from now. Sure it will. The body kit brings together a front splitter, side skirts, mirror caps, a rear spoiler, and a rear diffuser with F1-style brake lights. It's paired with custom wheel overlays, finished in deep violet against a white backdrop. Notably, the vented carbon hood seen on earlier builds is missing here, likely to keep the violet theme from going too far. German tuner has 17 solutions to a problem. Cadillac's Escalade definitely didn't have Larte. Design doesn't offer any chassis or mechanical upgrades for the 760i, which is powered by a twin turbocharged 4.4-liter V8. From the factory, the engine produces 536 horsepower, 399 kilowatts/543 PS, and 553 pound-feet, 750 newton-meters, of torque. Nevertheless, based on the design, the same body kit should fit all 7 Series variants, provided they're equipped with the M package. The visual overhaul is fully reversible, with all add-ons using the factory mounting points. It also leaves the parking sensors and driver assistance systems untouched. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, though the colored pre-preg carbon pieces will likely carry a premium over the standard finish.